Good morning. What is up, OCC gang? I am going penny shopping today, but not at Dollar General, so that should be fun. But first, I need to go get my hair done, so I hope it doesn't take long so that we can go get these penny items somewhere else that's not Dollar General. Oh, I'm excited. Okay guys, so I thought I was going to go shopping, but then I was like, you know what, my hair is a mess, and I got this hair in the mail from Nadula hair, so I was like, this would be a good day for me to go and get my hair done. And my girl, she just got her new hair shop. She just switched locations, so I was like, I want to go see what the new location is like. So I ran out the house. I don't have on any makeup or anything, no eyebrows, no nothing. So y'all, this is the real Erica. This is me. See, no makeup, no anything, no lashes, no brows, but I'm going to go see her new shop. Y'all get to come with me. We're going to try out this hair from Nadula hair that they sent me, and yeah, let's go meet the fam and see what her new shop looks like. Okay, so I'm here. She's just getting things together. I can see like, oh yeah, it's looking good. Oh my gosh, guys, look at these chairs. It's gonna be so dope in here when it's done. Oh my gosh, yes, I'm loving it. Oh, she's still painting too. Hey girl. So this is my stylist. She is going to hook me up. She's gonna hook me up. Y'all gonna love her for real. So we about to get started. Nothing major. I'm getting a VIP because as y'all can see, she's still painting and getting everything together. So this is kind of like behind the scenes. So this is the before. The after is gonna be nice. This is what the hair looks like. Yes, it's like extensions, okay? So it's not my hair. Duh, because you know, she's holding it. But this is I don't know that much about like hair quality and stuff. I just know I like to get my hair done. But she could probably tell you what she thinks about it, like if it's good quality.
It's basically the consistency throughout the bundle seems pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and install.
Yay!
You know,
guys, it's been a long time since I had my hair done, like a sew-in. That's what they call it. No, the needle's not going in my head, but you'll see how it works.
I feel like, you know, it's definitely very bouncy and shiny, which I really like.
Yes.
And the ends are not thin.
This is what the box actually looks like. The box that the hair comes in. Yeah, it was like this. It came in this really nice box. I thought this was pretty cool. It has all of their social media right there if you want to look it up. And then when I just opened it, it had the hair in there. Of course, it was neater than this. We've actually opened it. So as you can see, it's going well. It's not what I thought it was going to be. It's not like, you see she has the needle and she's sewing it in. It's like sewing it in. Technically, she's not like sewing into my scalp. She's sewing into the braids. Like you can see how my hair is braided down. So what she had to do at first was just braid it all down. And then she started to like use this needle. Yes, it's a needle. And I know that sounds really scary, but it's not going into my scalp. It's going into the braid. So think of if you were kind of like knitting something or sewing something onto something. That's how it is. So basically, I don't really feel anything. So if you've ever wanted to try this, because I mean, you've seen celebrities do it and you've seen them get like cornrows, or people like Kylie Jenner, all this kind of like celebrity hype, Beyonce, everyone does it, and then a lot of people are scared to try it. So I'm doing it for you guys so you can see how it is. And I'm really happy that Nadula hair actually sent me this hair, because otherwise I don't think I would have done this. I would have just kept getting my hair done like I usually did. But it's going really fast. Guys, look how this is coming out. You see this? Yes. Let me know in the comments like what you're thinking about this. I want your honest opinions, but don't be mean. Like, don't be mean. I think it looks good. Yes, please don't be mean. She's doing a great job. This takes a lot of talent to do. Like, even though it felt easy, like watching her do it, like, you guys should see me trying to do my hair every day. That would be a fun video. it probably wouldn't be a fun video. Yeah. But she's making this look so easy. Ooh, question. Any of you watching, do you know how to do this? Like, I'm curious about that. Because, like, I feel like this is something I could never do. How many of you get your hair like this? Or would? That is the question. Like, but I see celebrities of all races doing stuff like this. Like, I don't know. What hair types, like, could get this kind of style?
Really? All hair types. All hair types get this type of style.
All hair types, y'all.
So, just as long as your hair can be braided, you can get this style.
That's kind of exciting. So as long as your hair can be, wait, are you for real? Like, so as long as your hair can be braided, you could get this?
Yep.
That's crazy. So you can get this. If your hair can be braided, you can totally get this.
Exactly.
And then you could be like a celebrity for a day. And then I think with this hair and stuff, you can like dye it and all of that stuff.
Yeah, it's 100% human hair, virgin hair. So you'll be able to dye it, you can cut it, you can color it, you can bleach it. So I would recommend I always recommend to have a professional do it, but you are able to do it at home as long as you know the right steps to take to do the process. So as long as you know what you're doing, you can definitely do it.
Y'all, I'm smiling so much. I'm excited. It's not hard and I'm like having a good time. So that's why I'm doing all of that smiling. Oh, so is this like, you know how people get mermaid hair? Could I like use the same hair and dye it? Like after I wear it, if I washed it and brought it in, you could like dye it mermaid colors?
Yeah.
Okay, comments in the comments. Let me know. Would you guys like, do you guys think I would look good in those mermaid colors, like ombre, like the cotton candy hair? I know you've seen it. Like half of Hollywood gets it. Like I know you guys have seen it. Like, do you think I would look good in like pink and blue hair? What, they do other colors too. Like I don't know. What's
Purple,
like? Okay, yeah.
Pink, blue, green.
Ooh.
They do all of the colors.
What? Like, have you done that on anyone?
I've done it on myself.
Ooh.
Yeah. I've actually made a wig, but it's turned out really, really pretty.
I'll have to show y'all. I'll have to go stalk her page and find pictures.
Definitely.
I'm gonna leave all of her information below so you can like check her out because she's really good. She has a YouTube channel that she doesn't go on, guys.
Which I have to start doing more.
You do.
Definitely. So I'll definitely get the information and we're gonna go ahead and tag it once we're done with the video, and y'all can come subscribe to me.
Yeah, go check out her channel. She doesn't post it a lot, but still though, you'll still like what she posted. Like she's like really talented. Like really talented. I think the only reason that she's kind of like being really like laid back and laying low is because it's my video. Because I bleached the knots, so we're gonna do
Of course,
the middle part with the closure. So how I do it is
I like to install as much hair as possible. Most people like to, well, before I actually install the closure, but most people like to install the closure first before installing any of the bundles. So you have two options. You can either do it my way. You just want to make sure that there is enough room to install the closure and to sew it down properly. So, you know, you have options. It's what works best for you. So we're going to start off. I like to cut the lace off first. You don't have to. You can cut it off last, but it's easier for me to install it by making sure the lace is off, and that's my own preference. But like I said, sometimes it just depends on what works for you, which is very important. And as you go, you'll figure out different techniques of what works for you and what doesn't work for you. So what we're going to do is just going to place the closure and make sure it's placed well.
That's crazy.
So it's perfectly, I have it to a perfect point where I can easily install it, which she's very excited.
Yeah. I'm very excited. I'm too excited, y'all. I'm sorry.
I'm going to take 2 of these needles. The thread is not very long. You don't really need much thread for closure. It's about maybe 2 feet long. And we are going to sure that the track was cut so that it lays completely flat where the closure is laying. So you want a flat install at all times, of course. So sometimes you may have to cut a track or 2, which is not going to hurt the hair. It'll be totally fine. So now we're going to get into installing the hair. For some people, you may want to pluck the closure to give it a more natural look. Some people don't like to pluck theirs. It's all on behalf of what you like and how you want your hair to be. So we're definitely going to pluck her closure in the middle just a tad bit to make it look like a more natural parting. And we're going to get into styling, and I'll tell you guys how the hair is when we curl it, and if it holds a curl, and if it curls well at all. So we'll be right back. At least for now, it is definitely holding the curl, which is very important, because you want your curls to kind of stay in as long as possible. So this is the final result. Curls are nice and pretty. They flow very well.
Oh. And let me take the other one out. What do you think, guys?
It turned out very beautiful. And this is the final result. So it looks really, really pretty. The curls is really good. The closure piece made, of course, you know, by the best. It looks really, really good. So let us know what you think, and on behalf of the install, the curl, and also the hair overall, we want to know, you know, what you think. You think it looks really good, and yeah. So we'll also tag all info below once, you know, the video goes. Very pretty.
I love it.
Bye.
Bye.